everyone! If you're a car lover like me, you're going to love this video. I've put together 20 plus awesome car gadgets that are absolute game changers. From smart devices to handy accessories, these upgrades will make your ride safer, cooler, and way more fun. And the best part, every gadget is linked down in the description, so buckle up and let's dive in. Starting off strong with this magnetic car phone mount. No more fumbling around or watching your phone slide under the seat while driving. This mount uses strong magnets to hold your phone securely in place, even on rough roads. It's sleek, easy to install, and works with almost any smartphone. Perfect for hands-free calls and smooth navigation, this little gadget makes driving safer and stress-free. Honestly, once you use it, you'll never go back to regular phone holders again. Next up, these car seat headrest hooks are simple but super handy. These hooks transform the back of your seat into a storage spot for groceries, handbags, or backpacks. No more bags rolling around the floor or spilling everywhere. They're sturdy enough to carry heavy loads, and installation takes just seconds. For families, rideshare drivers, or anyone tired of car clutter, this is a real game changer. Sometimes it's the smallest gadgets that make the biggest difference in everyday driving. Now let's freshen things up with this smart car air freshener. Forget those old paper trees. This sleek little device automatically releases fragrance in perfect amounts, keeping your car smelling fresh without being overpowering. It's modern, stylish, and you can adjust the intensity based on your preference. Long-lasting and easy to use, it instantly elevates your driving experience. If you spend a lot of time in your car, this gadget makes every trip feel more enjoyable. Speaking of convenience, here's this magnetic sunglasses holder. No more tossing your shades in the cup holder or losing them between the seats. This holder keeps them safe, scratch-free, and always within reach. It attaches firmly and won't budge even on bumpy rides. Small, simple, and surprisingly useful, it's one of those little upgrades that makes your daily drive way smoother. If you wear sunglasses often, this gadget is a total lifesaver. Now check out this steering wheel tray for anyone who eats or works in car. It attaches easily to your steering wheel and gives you a stable surface for meals, laptops, or even jotting down notes while parked. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store when not in use, making it perfect for busy days or road trips. Honestly, it turns your car into a mini office or dining space in seconds. Super practical and surprisingly useful. Quick reminder, guys, every single gadget I'm showing you is linked down in the description, so if something catches your eye, make sure to check it out after the video. To keep things clean, let's talk about the car cleaning gel. This squishy, reusable gel gets into every little crevice, air vents, cup holders, buttons, and cracks you can never reach with a cloth. Just press it in, peel it away, and it lifts up dust and crumbs like magic. It's oddly satisfying and makes cleaning almost fun. Reusable multiple times, it's a clever, budget-friendly way to keep your car spotless without breaking a sweat. For passengers, especially kids, this car headrest tablet holder is a must-have. It secures a tablet on the back of your seat, instantly turning the back seat into an entertainment zone. Long drives become way easier with movies, games, or shows to keep everyone entertained. It's adjustable, sturdy, and works with most tablets. Family road trips just got a whole lot more enjoyable, and you get peace of mind knowing the kids are happy and occupied. Now, let's talk safety with this Redtiger 4 Kelvin dashcam setup. This powerful little camera records your drives in crystal clear 4 Kelvin, capturing every detail from license plates to road signs. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road, perfect for evidence in case of accidents. Installation is straightforward, and it comes with handy features like night vision and wide-angle coverage. For anyone serious about driving safely, this dashcam is absolutely worth it. Keeping the car clean is a must, and this Hotor Car Trash Can makes that easy. No more wrappers stuffed into cup holders or bottles rolling around on the floor. This portable leak-proof bin keeps trash contained and even has a lid to lock in odors. Compact yet spacious, it fits perfectly inside your car without being in the way. It's the simplest way to keep your ride tidy and fresh every single day. Now let's talk about this heads-up display for cars. This gadget projects important driving info like speed, navigation, and fuel directly onto your windshield. No more glancing down at the dashboard, you get everything right in your line of sight. It feels like driving a high-tech car from the future, and it keeps you focused on the road. Sleek, practical, and stylish, this upgrade is a must for anyone who loves blending safety with cool tech. Don't forget, links to all these awesome car gadgets are waiting for you in the description. Go take a look and grab your favorites. For road trip lovers, this rooftop cargo carrier bag is a lifesaver. Whether you choose the 20 or 15 cubic feet option, it gives you tons of extra storage without crowding the inside of your car. Waterproof and durable, it protects your belongings from rain, snow, and dust. Perfect for camping trips, vacations, or hauling sports gear, it makes packing stress-free. More room inside the car means more comfort for everyone on the road. To keep your trunk organized, this backseat hanging car trunk organizer is a genius solution. It attaches behind your seats and creates multiple compartments for groceries, emergency gear, or everyday essentials. No more items sliding around or messy piles in the trunk. Space-saving, foldable, and super practical, it makes every trip more organized. For busy drivers who hate clutter, this organizer is a total upgrade. You'll wonder how you lived without. Now let's talk peace of mind with this GPS smart tracker. Attach it to your car, and you'll always know exactly where your vehicle is using your phone. Perfect for theft prevention or keeping an eye on family members driving, it's compact, discreet, and super reliable. Real-time updates mean you're always in control. If you've ever worried about losing your car or lending it out, this tracker gives you confidence and security every time. Changing a tire just got easier with this electric car jack. Forget sweating over a manual jack, this gadget lifts your car with the push of a button. It's powerful, safe, and incredibly convenient during roadside emergencies. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for drivers who want to be prepared for anything. Whether you're on a long road trip or just commuting daily, this jack makes handling flat tires so much less stressful. Next up is this ANCEL car code reader. Ever had your check engine light pop on and felt clueless? This device plugs right into your car and tells you what's going on. It helps you diagnose problems before heading to the mechanic, saving you time and money. User-friendly, accurate, and compatible with most vehicles, it's an essential tool for every car owner. Stay ahead of car troubles and keep maintenance under control with this gadget. And hey, if you're loving these finds, remember the links are right below in the description. Super easy for you to explore and shop. Next up are these drop-stop car seat gap fillers. We've all lost keys, phones, or snacks in that annoying gap between the seat and console. These fillers slide right in and block the space completely. No more fishing around or getting distracted while driving. They blend perfectly with your car's interior and make driving way less frustrating. A small solution that makes a surprisingly big impact on your daily rides. Cleaning up is easy with this portable car vacuum cleaner. Lightweight yet powerful, it tackles dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and dust from every corner of your car. With multiple nozzles, it reaches under seats, between cushions, and other tricky spots. Cordless and compact, it's easy to store and quick to recharge. For anyone who likes a clean ride, this gadget makes maintenance effortless and satisfying. A must-have for daily drivers and road trippers alike. Comfort matters, and this foam car seat cushion delivers just that. Designed to reduce pressure on your back and hips, it makes long drives or traffic jams so much more bearable. It supports posture, prevents discomfort, and adds a layer of coziness to any seat. Perfect for commuters or road trip enthusiasts, this cushion makes your car feel more like a luxury ride. Once you try it, you won't want to drive without it. For car lovers who enjoy that deep, clean finish, this foam cannon is a total game changer. Just attach it to your pressure washer, add soap, and watch it cover your car in a thick blanket of foam. It loosens dirt and grime effortlessly, making washing faster, easier, and safer for your paint. Perfect for detailing at home, it gives you that professional car wash look without the hefty price tag. A must-have tool for every car care routine. Finally, last but not least, snow socks for tires. If you live in snowy or icy areas, these fabric covers give your tires extra grip and traction on slippery roads. They're lightweight, foldable, and so much easier to install than traditional snow chains. Durable and effective, they give you confidence and safety in harsh winter conditions. An absolute must-have for winter driving, these socks make tackling snow-covered roads a whole lot safer and smoother. That wraps up today's list of awesome car gadgets. Don't forget, all the links are waiting for you down in the description. Which gadget was your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button for more cool car finds. Share this with your fellow car lovers. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.